So you can see right now I'm getting ready. I just wanted to do simple buns today.
Hey pop stars, I'm Cakepop-Clara and I'm back with a get ready with me video voiceover extravaganza. I was getting ready for my picnic Lolita meet and I filmed the whole thing and I thought I would show you because I've heard from around the bush that that is something you'd be interested in. So before I get into showing you how I get ready for my Lolita meetups, remember, if you'd like to gain confidence to wear kawaii and or Lolita fashion in public, in your house, by your family, or in a picnic, please subscribe to my channel because that is what it is all about, and I have new videos every single week for you and your enjoyment. Now, let's get on with this little tutorial. I wanted to put on some green primer because I have some red babies on my face, and by babies I just mean red coloration, and it's because I know the color wheel. I know that green cancels out red. Now, as you can see, I have a little bit of a concealer and I use that before my foundation because for some reason I just feel like it works better. I got this one from Ipsy. Ipsy did me proud for a while with the concealers, but I stopped getting them because I think I missed like a payment or something. Really, I just put that in my problem areas and I put it like around the corners of my nose. I put it underneath my eyes. I get extra concealer sometimes because sometimes, you know, you just really need to conceal your soul from the world. Can you tell the difference yet? Just around the river bend. Wait, no, I was doing this voiceover so you didn't have to hear me sing as much. So now I am taking my Clinique foundation, and what I do is I put some on the back of my hand, aka the back of my hand is ridiculous, and I will take a stippling brush, I believe it is called, not a stippling brush, stippling brush, and just go, and you're supposed to really dot it, but sometimes I do circles. You just want to blend it. Blending is the key to success, so make sure you blend your life out from the ground up and blend your soul into your heart and you will do okay. I just rub that all over my cute little face so that I look less like an undead creature from World of Warcraft and more like a sweet Lolita from World of Warcraft. I would totally play World of Warcraft again if Sweet Lolita was a class that you could pick, or a race, I don't care. That would be so cool if you had like an orc Sweet Lolita. Anyways, I zoomed in a little bit because you need to see this up close and personal. So I laid my foundation to rest, threw it in the garbage, and we're off. This is the part where I do my eyebrows. Now for eyebrows, it is nice to have some clear gel on a freaking brushy brush or whatever, so you can use any type of eyeshadow you want.
For traveling, instead of bringing my whole like makeup Morphe palette that I usually use to do my brows, I'm just using a little bit of contour on a makeup brush. It doesn't really have the red tones that I like to see.
How do you do your eyebrows? What's your favorite way to do your eyebrows? Throw that in the comments below. Even though my eyebrows aren't gonna look as good as they normally do, they will still look banging. Banging. Miss Vanjie is banging.
Singing in my friend's bathroom. Ooh, I don't want me to be too ankle today, or else I will look like a crazy lady. I got my Play Color Eyes palette.
Anyways, now I am taking some matte shadow and I am rubbing that all over my lids and my crease. Not my lids, I'm doing it on my crease. Now this creates really nice depth, and that is what we want here in the world. We gotta get some depth of character, we gotta get some depth of eyeshadow, and we gotta get some depth connections between our sisters, our Lolita sisters. I am using my Etude House Play Color Eyes palette, so if you want to see a more thorough review and another makeup look I did with the Play Color Eyes palette, cherry blossom style, please click the link in the card because it is there for you, and I worked hard on the video and it is a fun one. I brought another tiny little palette that I got from my Ipsy just to add some color because I was wearing purple, so I was like, purple eyeshadow, bam, bam, wham, bam, thank you, bam. I used to only put eyeshadow on my top lid, but then I realized you can create some really cool depth. I keep drinking coffee and I keep burping. Okay. You can create some really cool depth if you use eyeshadow underneath your eyeball. It just creates shadows and that makes your eyes look bigger or smaller or whatever the hell you want them to look like. You can do it.
My little Luma baby and I'm ready to highlight.
Now, this is funny because I have my highlighter and I usually dot that on the tip of my nose, on the bridge of my nose, and for meetups I'll use it on my inner corners and right below the brow. This creates a really nice highlight, but I have to say that at the end of this video something really messed up happens to that, so watch till the end to watch me die. Watch till the end to watch me die. Now I am moving in, but yeah, you can kind of see how I do my eyeliner. I only put on a little bit for this meetup because I knew I was going to be outside and it was going to be hot, so I tried to keep makeup to a minimum. Did that really work out in my favor? I'm not sure. We'll find out in the vlog that I'm going to be putting up next week, so stay tuned and subscribe so you do not miss that video next week, and hit the notification button because then I will literally come to your house and give you a hug. And by literally, I mean figuratively. This is precise work.
So they got that super cool eyeliner and the metamorphose with the straps,
Oh, blush. Blush is important. Now, if you like the, I think it's called Igari makeup look, you want to do a softer eye makeup with lots of blush, but I think blush is super kawaii because you know how you see like characters that have little 2 circles of blush? That's what it feels like to me when you wear that, and I love blush so much. I even use like bright pink lipstick as blush, and then I blend it out with my pinky. I'm sure you've seen those Glossier commercials where they have the cloud paint or whatever, but pro tip, you can literally just smear lipstick underneath your eyes and it does the exact same thing. So, you're welcome.
That's really bright. I'll take my pinky and I'll make it right. That's really bright. I'll take my pinky and I'll make it right.
Now I am dotting on my lipstick, and what I like to do is I like to take my little pinky and I will blend it out all over besides my lips, and then maybe take some concealer and put it on the outside, around the outside, around the outside. Finally, for this makeup get ready with me extravaganza, I am doing some contour around my chin to make me look less like I have a double chin, and I will also put it around my temples to make my forehead look a bit teeny tinier, smaller like style.
I have contour.
So that's pretty much it for this voiceover. If you enjoyed it, please remember to like this video. My question of the day is, how do you get ready for Lolita meetups? Do you do a full face of makeup? Do you do a half a face of makeup? What would a half a face of makeup look like? And are you ready for this disaster that is about to strike? Dun dun dun. Make sure you stay tuned for next week when I am going to show you what actually happened at the meetup and my vlog throughout the day. Remember to always do your best, try your best, look your cutest, and we can be our cutest together. So I really appreciate you taking the time to support me in this video, and I love you so much, and just want to say goodbye, pop stars.
Lunar little highlighter, and it just broke all over her floor. I hate myself. Why did I break my highlighter over my friend's floor? She's gonna hate me forever for making such a mess. Do you like my song? I have to clean this up now, so goodbye.